You want to go out and see what the storm's doing? You want to go out and see what the storm's doing? Do you want to go out and see? Do you want to go out and see what the storm's doing? Do you? Do you? Let's go. All right, put on my raincoat and my rain boots, and we can go outside. We are in the middle of Tropical Storm Debby. I put these out here so they could get some rainwater. And we are between some bands of rain right now. We're getting a little wind. The poor chickens, they really don't know what to do. Ground's a little saturated there. But they come out. You can see their dry spot. I'll show you. Their little run is so wet. But you can see they have a little dry spot there. And then most of them have been hanging out underneath the coop. So it's not raining at the moment, so they're just wandering around. So far, well, that sign's fallen. The tree looks like it's a little, but otherwise, a few limbs down there. It's not bad. Lots of prayers. All right. It's going to pick up later, I think, this evening. They're talking about higher winds later this evening, up to 50 miles an hour, but that's actually not bad. Just worry about all the ground being saturated, and then any high winds can topple trees down, so it can be dangerous. So, how much this water? It's full. This garden's a mess, but it toppled over. Oh, look at these bugs flying around. All the bugs and everybody's trying to get, oh, it toppled my little cage down. Excuse me. These guys like to eat the weeds for some reason. I don't know. The other day I closed this and I couldn't get back in. The string was gone. All the rain and moisture in the air for like the past 3 days have definitely warped this wood a little bit. But let me go over here. But I don't see any flooding. It's car's still covered. I was worried the cover might go flying off. Anyway, so far so good. We still have another whole day of this probably. Just a little bored. I didn't have to work today, and I'm off tomorrow too. So just a little bored. I thought I would come out here and show you around. We're faring well in the storm. Where'd Coco go? Come on. The electrical box. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's full. Full of water. And the flies are still crazy. I have to empty all these fly traps. You see, right now it's kind of sunny out. The winds are blowing, but it's not bad. That tree there looks like the little limb there. Not good. She's all wet. So at least the rain's been giving us a little break where they can dry off. This little guy's floating in water. So I'm gonna have to empty that out. I need to repot it because of the roots coming out. So maybe I'll work on that this weekend. For now, I'll just leave it there. All right. So just waiting on the next rain band to come in. All right. So one of the rain bands just came in, and you can see how windy it's picking up. All the chickens are running for cover. All right, everybody, that's it for this video. Stay safe if you're in this storm, and we'll see you next time.